In this video, we're going to be checking out a Wi-Fi smart switch that you can also integrate with your Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa right after this. What's up everyone? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at El Jefe Reviews.
My name is Jeff. It's Jefe, man.
And on my channel, I do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. This week, we're checking out the Sonoff S31 Wi-Fi smart switch. Now this guy runs you about 19 bucks on Amazon.com for a single, or you can get a twin pack for 36 bucks. I'll be making sure to leave you guys some links to those right down in the description box below. And before we go any further, I just want to give a quick shout out to Sonoff for reaching out to me and sending me out this smart switch for this review. Also, just wanted to give you guys a heads up, the contest for the giveaway of the Archeer headphones is still going on for another week. So if you guys haven't signed up for that, check the description, make sure you do. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so here we have it, the Sonoff S31 Wi-Fi socket with power consumption detection, eSupport app, works with Amazon Alexa, works with Google, works with Nest. Let's crack her open. Get the socket itself. Power button here on the side. Grounded outlet. 2 LED indicator lights. What else is here? Looks like we get some sort of a warranty card. Okay, just like a quick setup guide here. Nothing too crazy, but it works. All right, so here we have it. This is the Sonoff S31. Got it already plugged in here. Got my trusty lamp plugged into that. LED lights blinking blue, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and fire up this app here. So here's your main screen. I've already got my lamp set up, but if you want to add a new device, click on plus right here. Give your options for pairing up, multiple different devices, but I've already got mine set up, so let's head back. Click in here. So you can see this is the main screen for your device. Shows you the wattage, amperage, voltage, but let's go ahead and fire up the lamp real quick, and this way you guys can see it. Pretty quick, right? Quick response time. And as you can see, these numbers have already changed, so it does show you what's going on currently as far as power usage is concerned. Then if you want to set up a timer, this is your option to set up timers here. This will turn it off after 1 minute. And you can set it to either turn things on, turn things off after, a day, an hour, minutes, whatever you want to set it to. And you've also got the option to schedule things. You can create schedules for it to turn on and off, whether it be one time or repeating, on certain days, or if you want it to go on every single day. You can set it by dates and whether you want it to turn something on or to turn something off. So pretty thorough, a lot of options. And then right here, you click here, this will show you your, the electricity record over time. So if you've got a device that's running, for a long amount of time, it'll show you exactly what's going on. And right here, you can actually change the exact kilowatt hour rate for your area. So that way you can keep an exact track of your total costs. Now you click in here, this is the other part of the main menu, sort of like your profile, but you get the different options, different support, different FAQ, and then also how to pair an Amazon Echo, full instructions on how to do that. Also for the Google Home or Google Home Assistant, and also for the Nest. So, pretty thorough trying to explain how to help you out and how to get everything all set up and paired. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with this device. So far so good in use. Pairing up with it or connecting it to my Wi-Fi was really easy. Once I got it plugged in, it was basically ready to go. Downloaded the app, went ahead and installed all the information for my Wi-Fi and my network info. And setup, less than 5 minutes and I was up and running, able to control devices with it. So pretty straightforward. You know, you can use it with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you know, and it integrates with those pretty easily as well. I don't have a Google Home. I do have an Amazon Alexa speaker. It worked flawlessly with that, so that was really, really nice. You know, and I also like the fact that it's pretty compact in size. You can actually put two of them, one right on top of each other on a wall outlet. So, you know, it's not a huge device. You can actually run two of them if you want it. I found the app pretty easy to use. I actually downloaded it off the Google Play Store. They call it eWeLink, something like that. But yeah, I mean, it was fairly straightforward. You enter your information, enter the Wi-Fi info to help yourself get all paired up. And, you know, it's got a lot of different options as far as schedules and timers, you know, things of that sort, and also has a lot of measurement tools, which I really found useful. Also, it's customizable, so if you want to measure your kilowatt hours or what your actual cost is for using a specific device that you have plugged into it, you can actually go into the app and set what the exact kilowatt hour rate is in your area. And that way you can have a good idea of what, you know, what it's exactly costing you. So that's pretty nice. You know, one of the other devices I've used before didn't have that option. So I like they went a little more in depth with the statistics and the details of that. So like I said before, all in all, so far so good with it. You know, if you're in the market for a Wi-Fi outlet that's, you know, budget friendly, that isn't going to break the bank, this one comes in at 19 bucks, or you can get two of them for 36 bucks. You know, I think that's a nice little sweet spot for a smart outlet that's, you know, of good quality and that has an app that actually works fairly well. So if you're in the market for one of these, definitely check out the Sonoff S31. That wraps up my unboxing and review of the Sonoff S31 Wi-Fi Smart Switch. Let me know what you guys think of this down in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, concerns, anything like that, leave them down there too, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. And if you don't like smashing things, go ahead and tap that like button nice and softly for me. And if you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. And just as a quick reminder, like I said before, the contest for the Archier headphones giveaway is still ongoing, so make sure you check that description box, hit that link there for the contest, get signed up, and maybe you'll have a chance to win. There are 2 prizes in this giveaway, so double the chances to win. Now with all that being said, I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video.